Have you ever got something in the mail that you completely did not expect? Well, I just got one of those. I'm so excited. So I'm going to open this package. It came from the 12 by 12's Cardstock Shop. So let's go see what they sent me. Okay, let's check out and see what I've got. I've already opened the box. And full disclosure, I did open part of it because I was so excited. But look at these cute little hearts that they stamped on there. And their little 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop sticker. Super cute. And I am excited. So it's wrapped very nicely. And inside, oh my, this is exciting. Look what I got. So I've got an Encore textured cardstock swatch book. Oh, this is gonna come super handy. So if you look at it, it's got all of the beautiful colors that Encore offers that you can buy at the Cardstock Shop. And if you'll look, oh, I love this. See how the paper is textured? It looks like a linen texture, and I love a textured paper. It is so beautiful. So look at those vibrant colors, and there's a wide array of colors. I can see that there are lots of applications for these colors. It's particularly hard for me to find a yellow that's a pretty sunny yellow. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. So I'm super excited about getting to use these gorgeous papers. So then I got a pack of the Encore paper, and this is textured cardstock. There's 100 sheets, so I get one sheet each of 100 colors. And this is supposed to be, I haven't tried it yet, but it's supposed to be the best cardstock for cutting machines, and I've seen lots of information about it. I'm excited about seeing if it cuts as good as they say it does. It is 12 by 12. This one is, it's 80-pound paper. There's a solid core, so that means that there's not any white inside. So if you're using it for paper cuts like they've got on the front of this, you won't see like a white line in the middle. The color goes all the way through, and I really like that. It's acid free and it's archival, which is awesome. So you can use it for you know, things that you want to last for a long time. It also has a QR code on the front that gives you recommended settings for different kinds of cutting machines. So that is super exciting to get to see what that is all about. So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. And it's a nice thick box of paper. Look at all those beautiful colors that they sent me. So I'm really excited about getting into this and using it on my Cricut machine. So the other thing that they sent me was this super fun glitter paper. So let's just open this up and take these out and see what all they sent me. So, ooh, look at that gorgeous glitter paper, and it's nice and thick. The glitter doesn't seem like it's raised too far off the paper, so that it won't cause problems with my cutter. And the back is just white. And then beautiful pink color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This blue, that is stunning. Turquoise blue. So pretty. The glitter doesn't come off on your fingers either. Look at that. No glitter comes off on your fingers. That's great. There is the gold metallic, and it's really pretty. Ah, gorgeous. That is so pretty. It's kind of a frosted turquoise metallic, and it is gorgeous. And then there is an iridescent, and it is pretty as well. So you get to see a reflection of me. Anyways, it's so pretty, and I really, really do appreciate the Cardstock Shop for sending this to me. It was a gift from them, and I love it. So I cannot wait to try it on my cutting machine, and stay tuned. I'll let you know how it works.
Make sure to watch the video where I actually test this cardstock. I'll be making a very cool beach card. And while you're at it, consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It would help a lot. See you later.